What is going on, guys? This is your boy Kumatara from my game people's working to Wrenchettes. We're not only working beautiful cars like these G35, but in life as well. Today we're gonna do some maintenance on this car. We're gonna change this side mirror right here. So let's get started. So this is the mess up part. I tried to glue it, but nope. You have to hold it for a really long time to get that thing. Some paper there, get my bougie thingy. This is how it looks before. The plan is to take off the bolt right here, you have to take off this trim. There's two bolts right there, and then take off the plastic with those little clips out there under. You have to pull hard. So the plan is to get these two bolts out of there. I mean, these two clips, and then we have access to this part to snap it off, and then we have access to the three bolts that's holding this part together. This is the replacement right here. See if you can see the same color as mine. I got lucky in that part. So there's three bolts and the connector right here for the motorized window. So that's basically it. That's it. So here's what I was talking about. Now that I have the clips off and this part off, you have access to these three bolts right there. 1, 2, and 3. And just as I noticed, just be careful to have an extension, because this socket right here is all the way in there, as you can see. And so you need an extension for that. Not this one. So you're only gonna have 1, 2, 3, and the clips come off. You take those clips off on the panel. You take the two clips off from this panel. Jesus Christ. And then you have access to these three bolts right there. And of course, this connection, you just connect it right through there, and that's it. So we're gonna put this a mirror in it, and just make sure you put this cover in first, because that protects it from the water and gives it a little nice to the touch right there. Look who came up! A fool does have an MIA! Jesus Christ. I did a boo-boo, so I'm gonna tell you guys, so you guys don't do the boo-boo too. This thing has a clip, as you guys can see there. See that clip right there? That needs to go inside here so it could be flushed. I think I broke this, but with that flushed in, it shouldn't be popping out as much. So there you go, guys. This is really simple. If you like this type of content, please give me a like on this video. And if you're new, please consider subscribing, because 2018 is going to be an awesome year, including the Batman theme G35. I already started the process for that build. And the next step will be changing out this motor right here, because you can see it doesn't work. But yeah, that'll be for another video. Until next time, guys, smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. Until next time, guys, peace and the